So you guys are so gonna dig this one. Here I am in Atlantic Beach, about 15 miles outside of Jacksonville, Florida, to visit a joint that was a dream of four sisters. Now, people around here say that they are running the real deal Irish pub in a strip mall. This is Culhane's Irish Pub.
Hey, ladies. Shepherd's pie.
I just love this place.
The best Irish comfort food.
Cabbage up. Corned beef and cabbage. Just incredible.
They know what they're doing.
Because they grew up on it.
The Culhane sisters, they are awesome.
Yeah. That'd be Mary Jane, Michelle, Linda, and Anya Culhane.
Thank you.
Who opened this joint to serve the food they love.
Recipes from Ireland, our mother cooked, what our grandmother cooked.
So they brought in longtime friend and head chef,
Thank you.
Olive Davis.
I tricked her, I was like, come on, I just need you part-time. And then I sucked her in.
And now,
2 orders of Guinness Stew.
she's cranking out all the family favorites. Come on, the Guinness Stew.
Tastes like beer and tastes like beef at the same time.
It's so succulent and melts in your mouth. I love it.
So what are we gonna make first?
Our house seasoning blend. Put it in Guinness Beef Stew. White pepper, black pepper, dry oregano, dry basil, garam masala, curry powder, clove,
Got it?
nutmeg.
Wow, it's a lot of nutmeg.
It is kosher salt, onion powder, garlic powder, granulated garlic,
Dry mustard.
dried mustard, sugar.
And Montreal steak seasoning.
No,
What is it?
It's a roasted granulated garlic.
Roasted granulated garlic.
Yes.
Who made this?
And me, I did, yeah.
What did you
now,
do?
Now you just, wait till you see it all
Meeny,
mixed
miny.
up. Wait till you see it all mixed up.
Okay.
All right, can I mix it up?
Go.
All right. All right, and it does go in everything. Wait till you taste our beef stew. You're gonna love it. Top, bottom, run.
Gooseneck.
Yeah.
A lot of flavor, a lot of connective tissue. Definitely is one of the kind of meats that you want to trim, clean up, and cook a long time.
Yep.
She slices, she dices, she chops. So we cube all this up. Meat's all cut.
Marinated overnight in Guinness beer.
Look at that.
Our house seasoning blend, fresh thyme. Use it the next day, tenderized, enough for us to cook it in 3-4 hours.
Oh, let's go.
All right. I am making our demi-glace. Veal bones.
Wow, we're getting serious about the dinner.
Yeah, I am. We'll help brown them up a little
brown up,
bit.
right.
Yeah. Carrots, onions, leeks, celery.
Pop her in the oven. How many hours
About
do
an
you
hour
go?
and a half. Put
Drop
it in
her
the
in.
oven.
Holds it down with her foot. Kitchen warrior. Ready?
I'm ready.
Whoa, whoa. Let's roast to the most.
Some red wine to get the fondant off the bottom of the pan.
She's serious.
Transfer the veal bones to a stock pot. More wine, water.
In?
In.
And how often are you making this a week?
Once or twice.
Girl cooks.
Bouquet garni,
We've got some rosemary and some bay leaf.
peppercorn and whatnot.
More Guinness.
More Guinness, oh yeah. Tomato, a little bit of tomato paste. It cooks for, 6 to 8 hours depending.
Add water a couple more times.
Oh yeah. And then we just keep it on real low.
Then we'll take it, strain it, cool it, skim the fat, and ready to
And
go.
ready to go, yes sir.
All right.
Guinness beef stew. Oil in.
Oh, we're hot.
That's hot.
So here you go. I usually like to stand right up there in a fire suit. Oh, you can't tell there's any Guinness coming out of it.
Meat likes Guinness
I mean,
too.
I can smell it. Meat likes Guinness.
We add in our onions, carrots, and the cremini mushrooms. Sweat it down for about another hour.
The flour goes in to make the roux.
Stir that up a little bit.
I have Ngalen. I don't know where I got German from.
Oh yeah, look at that.
I love it. Wow, that smells great.
Barley.
And that's just to thicken it up a little bit as well?
Yeah. Adding a bouquet garni. A little bit of the seasoning blend again. Then we add in.
Look at the demi.
I'll go up high like you did.
You could run your Hemi on that demi.
And then
Just
it
let it
cooks
reduce.
down again. It thickened up.
Ooh.
The meat all broke down. It's all Guinnessy.
Look at that.
This is a good, full belly dish.
Oh, you can smell like Guinness. This is rich, flavorful, full of depth. It's outstanding.
Thank you so much, Chef Guy.
Really nice, rounded, roasted flavor. The carrots playing perfectly. Little velvety texture from the mushrooms. And the meat completely just dissolves in your mouth tender.
Thank you.
Great job.
Thank you.
So impressed. Phenomenal.
And the Guinness Stew for you.
I love the beef is juicy.
It is the bomb.
It is.
It's always really, really good.
Potato leek soup.
The potato and leek soup, I love.
Food's authentic.
Dingle fish pie.
Dingle fish pie.
Wonderful.
Named for an Irish fishing village 80 miles from where the sisters grew up.
Got the dingle fish pie for you.
What is in Dinglefish?
Salmon, cod, and shrimp. There it is.
Holy boatload of seafood, Captain.
I know it.
Wow, girl, you're on point with this. If you dig all the way to the bottom of it, you'll find a membership card to a local gym.
Dinglefish pie up.
It's awesome.
Rich and flavorful. It tastes fantastic.
Bangers and mash. They're my favorites.
Across the board, the menu is outstanding.
Who came up with the recipes?
Pretty much a group decision.
And the group decided, even at this Irish pub,
My goodness, John.
not everything had to be Irish.
Lots of beach when we're at the beach.
The wings are absolutely awesome.
And then there's Olive's take on the All-American burger.
Lamb sliders up.
I don't know what Olive does, but it's great.
Little burger. Oh, I could eat 100 of those. When we come back.
All right, I'll start cooking.
One down.
A Guinness Beef Stew for you.
At Culhane's Irish Pub, the Culhane sisters have turned head chef Olive Davis loose
Shepherd's pie.
to do the Irish comfort food they grew up with.
Good Irish food.
And some bar food classics
Glazed wings are awesome.
with a twist.
Lamb sliders up.
This just tastes so good.
Lamb sliders.
I love lamb.
So we have fresh ground lamb, minced red onion.
So that'll really incorporate easily.
Yes. Whole grain mustard. Come out. Minced garlic, fresh oregano,
Very nice.
and our house seasoning blend.
This house seasoning blend,
Yeah.
can I buy a jar of it up front?
Sure can.
Can you? Do you have it for sale?
No.
Seriously, you should. That's it. She went
You don't
back.
want to overwork
She
it.
didn't overwork it,
Yep.
so when it cooks, it's not going to expel its fat.
Our next step is we weigh them out at 3 ounces, 3.5.
It's definitely not underportioned here.
Yeah, we're liberal. There you go. There you go.
There you go. Same
There
place.
You go. There you go. Little butter.
The hot flat top.
It is
So these will go fast.
about 2-3 minutes to brown them on both sides proper. And I want to cook you a good medium, you know.
They smell awesome.
All right, they're cooking.
Go.
Now I have to build them. Curry aioli, which we make. Lettuce, tomato, lamb burger on there, red onion.
Just
Put the olive on there. I gotta finish it. Chipotle aioli. It's a step away burger. Need a napkin?
Are you kidding me? I could eat 100 of those. There's nothing about that I would change. Hands down perfect.
Thank you.
The kicker, the Mac Daddy crust. You own that. Ah. I'd do a dance or something if I was you. Don't you supposed to dance a jig?
No, can I?
You rock.
Thank you. Thank you, that's
Amazing.
awesome. Lamb sliders up.
Really delicious.
Another Guinness for you?
Just brilliant. Come in here and have a Guinness and have a lamb slider.
It's just the best. You can order anything on the menu.
Good, you're happy.
But it's the hospitality. It's a great time every time you're here.
This is really living the American dream, what we're doing, and it's incredible. We're so blessed.
Telling you, there should be music in the background. Nice job. Nice job, ladies. Thank you.